That's exactly what happened with my workout. It said it's a 40-minute workout. Took me 75 minutes to complete.
Yeah. If you're trading in a trend that's not a stage 2, what's the point? You know, I have no authority to comment since I don't have a Porsche, but hola YouTube. On the food front, today has been quite incredible. Let us see firstly what we started our day with. It's a beverage, like a lot of fruits and ginger and stuff in there, a warm beverage to start off your day. We're gonna see that. And then breakfast was also pretty special. We had some millet noodles going, some Chinese Asian style tofu and other vegetables. So what an incredible meal. And let's have a look at those two. क्या क्या डाला इसमें?
Apple, quinoa, pudina, cinnamon stick, and 1 tea bag. And some honey.
Looks crazy.
सब ठंडा हो गया होगा quinoa की वजह से.
Tremendous breakfast today. Wow, look at that. नाश्ता कैसा लगा?
It's good, but ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे dinner खाना था.
तो ये 5 stars में बुफे नहीं होता ये? तब तो बड़े उससे खाते हो.
तब भी नहीं खाते, तब भी टोस्ट ही खाते हैं.
ये तो है एक केबल वो लेंगे, केबल वाली
Cable
सेटअप लेंगे,
leg extension, leg curl.
हाँ लेग एक्सटेंशन, लेग कर्ल जो कंबाइंड होती है.
हाँ वो एक में ही हो जाती है.
हाँ, जो एक में होती है. एक स्मिथ सोची थी, स्मिथ और कौन सी सोची थी, और एक लेग प्रेस
जिम से पहले ये जूस इतना अच्छा रहता है.
अच्छा रहेगा अगर हम उनकी तरफ चलना शुरू करें. इसको नीचे बैठ के भी कर सकते हैं.
हाँ नीचे बैठ के कर सकते हैं.
हमें तो नीचे बैठ कर.
You know, that rack is proving to be such a good investment because workout हो रहा है घर पे सबका. When I was ordering it, I was like, will it get wasted? What happens if no one uses it, etc., etc. But it's getting used up because spending is not the issue, but wasting money is. So if we bought it and no one used it, what's the point? Now my father uses it, mom is using it. एक दो दिन मैं भी कर लूँगा once I get more equipment, bars, heavier weights. So yeah, pretty cool investment. And outdoors पड़ा है तो ठीक है, rough and tough types. That was a pretty good workout, 75 minutes. So what I did is I started with the back, bent over rows and cable pull over, just 2 exercises for the back. Then we shifted to biceps and really focused on biceps. So barbell curls and dumbbell curls, both arm, and then finally ended with something, I don't know. And then I went to shoulders. I did a seated Smith press, 60 kilograms excluding the bar. So quite a cool workout. I'm missing out on an exercise. Let me just tell you which that was. Oh yeah, so that's about it. I did 5 exercises. For the first 2, for the back, I did I think 2 exercises, 2 sets each, working set and 2 warm-up sets. For the rest, I did 3 working sets and 2 warm-up sets. So overall, it was about, I don't know man, 20 sets. It was tiring. I have no idea. You get the idea.
That's exactly what happened with my workout. It said it's a 40-minute workout. Took me 75 minutes to complete.
Yeah. When you push yourself, you start rambling because कोई हिम्मत ही नहीं बची यार. And अभी lunch करेंगे. Lunch फिर हमें walk करनी है. Second workout of the day. But to be honest, body recover कर ही रही है भाई. Weight उठ ही रहा है. ऐसी बात नहीं है कि weight उठ नहीं रहा. 5 days a week I'll lift. 2 days rest. Mobility, yoga, शोगा दिखी जाएगी. ठीक चल रहा है माहौल.
और इंडिया में आके पार्टी छूट गया. So this is a good thing.
Like सोने से पहले.
Like I finish work around 4:35, right? I come, take a shower, I do Japji Sahib, and then I go to bed after that. So then I go to bed around 5:36.
हाँ उस टाइम तो हो भी जाता है.
हाँ क्योंकि फिर
सो के उठो,
वॉक पे चले जाते हो, फिर जपजी साहब आप दिन में कोई करोगे बैठ के.
How much of the meaning do you know?
A bit.
True name से ना?
हाँ, the starting bit I know. I haven't finished the book only. So.
और मिनोवनी वाली बुक कैसी चल रही है?
That's going good.
उसके key takeaways पे you can make a video.
I'll make a video on that. I'll make that video this weekend only. Till how much ever I've read. I'll get a script together.
Whatever's your best takeaway, I think it'll be good for people.
I think the best takeaway would be that now that he talks about that you have to do stage 2 of trend.
That's the best takeaway, man. If you're trading in a trend that's not a stage 2, what's the point?
Yeah.
What the hell?
And I've always liked that takeaway from his book also. That initially he talks about the mindset.
Hi, Tada. Tada.
टेढ़े तो कितना तेज है ना, अपना खाना खा के आता है और भाग के इधर आ जाता है।
मुझे आप अपना फूजन नहीं दीती हो छाज, मेरा ले लेती हो। ਜਿਹੜਾ ਰੈਸਟ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ, ਤਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਚੱਲੇ ਆ ਵਾਕ ਕਰਨ, ਸੈਰ ਕਰਨ ਚੱਲੇ ਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਡੌਗਸ ਨਾਲ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ। ਜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਘਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਵੀ ਬਣਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਨਾਓ ਵੀ ਗੋ ਫॉर ਅ ਵਾਕ ਐਂਡ ਦ ਸਿਸਟਰਸ ਆਰ ਜੁਆਇਨ ਇਨ। ਹਾਂ, ਫਿਰ ਆ ਕੇ ਐਡੀਟਿੰਗ ਸ਼ੈਡਿਟਿੰਗ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਅੱਜ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਰਿਲੈਕਸ ਰਿਹਾ ਦਿਨ। Then we shall focus on the edits and push out content that changes lives, that makes a lot of people happy, that triggers a lot of people, and that also pays good money. Teddy Belinda, Teddy, Porsche. You know, I have no authority to comment since I don't have a Porsche, but if I was getting a Porsche and I had the money, why electric, man? Like, power bank le liya tusi inna sona, but I don't know, get the Porsche, man. Get the engine, get the grunt. That's just my biased view, but yeah, I mean, he has a Porsche, so yeah, cool. I liked it. It looks pretty cool.
हेलो 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 बाय बॉय एंड गर्ल।
We have returned. God, the exhaustion is real. Now let's take a shower. And that's all for the day. I thought I'll give a commentary on the market, but we'll do that tomorrow. बहुत थके हुए हैं. I'll read and just relax. फिर कल नू करांगे commentary market ते. बहुत सोहनी, interesting commentary होवेगी, तो ज़रूर देखियो.